Hello everyone and welcome back to Zoology Adda. We are on day 9 of our Zoology from Basics series. Yesterday we learned about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. We also learned that all animals are made up of eukaryotic cells. But what does an animal cell actually look like? What is present inside it, and what does each part do? Today let's take a closer look at the animal cell. Think of an animal cell as a tiny organized system where every part has a specific role. Let's start from the outside. Cell membrane. The cell membrane forms the outer boundary of the cell. It separates the cell from its surroundings and controls what enters and leaves. It is selectively permeable, meaning it allows certain substances to pass through while restricting others. Inside the membrane is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the material surrounding the cell organelles. It provides the environment where many important chemical reactions and cellular activities take place. Now, one of the most important structures inside the cell is the nucleus. Nucleus. The nucleus is often called the control center of the cell. It contains the cell's DNA, which carries genetic information needed for growth, development, and functioning. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear envelope, and inside it is the nucleolus, which is involved in the formation of ribosomal components. Now let's look at some important organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is a network of membranes. Rough ER has ribosomes attached to it and mainly helps with protein synthesis and processing. Smooth ER lacks ribosomes and is involved in lipid synthesis and other metabolic activities. Next comes the Golgi Apparatus. Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus acts like a processing and packaging center. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport to different parts of the cell or outside it. Now, which organelle helps provide energy? Mitochondria. Mitochondria are commonly called the powerhouses of the cell. They carry out cellular respiration and produce ATP, which provides energy for many cellular activities. Interestingly, mitochondria also contain their own DNA and ribosomes. Next are the ribosomes. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. They can be found freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the rough ER. Now, what helps the cell deal with waste and damaged materials? Lysosomes. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down unwanted materials, cellular waste, and damaged cell components. They help in intracellular digestion and recycling. Animal cells also contain a centrosome, which helps organize microtubules and plays an important role during cell division. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein fibers that helps maintain the cell's shape, organization, and internal movement. So an animal cell is not just a tiny bag of structures. It is a highly organized system where different parts work together. The cell membrane controls movement. The nucleus stores DNA. Mitochondria provide usable energy. Ribosomes make proteins. The ER helps synthesize and process materials. The Golgi apparatus modifies and packages them. Lysosomes help with digestion and recycling. And the centrosome and cytoskeleton help with organization and cell division. Let's quickly revise. An animal cell is a eukaryotic cell, meaning it has a true membrane-bound nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Each part has a specialized function, but all of them work together to keep the cell alive. And this takes us to our next topic. Tomorrow, we'll explore cell organelles in greater detail and understand their structures and specific functions. I'll see you in the next class. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the animal world.